Hello, this is JB Tigihanon. Welcome back to my channel, JB Tigihanon Engineering and Chemistry Tutorial. So, ang ating pag-aralan ngayon is current pa rin tayo, no? Ito yung problem, a 40 meter metallic conductor cross-sectional area 1 mm square has a resistance of 12 ohms. Calculate the conductivity of the metal. So, ito po ang ating formula o solution. So, ang ating conductivity of the metal is equal to L. Ito po ay L. Okay. Length ng materials mo, and that is 40 meter. Tapos resistance niya, that is 12 ohms, and then the area. Okay. Which is given also to yung 1 mm square meter. So direct substitution lang to. So substitute the value to the formula at dito po tayo 40 over 12 times 10 raised mo sa negative 3 square ito dahil ito ay area. Okay, so ang ating sagot is 3.33 ms per meter. Okay, ang ating S is equal to Siemens. So may conversion tayo rito. 1 ohms, that is 1 S equal to 1 ohm over 1 over ohms. So ito po yung ating sagot yan, 3.3 ms per meter. So yun lang po. Thanks. Bye.